Hi guys, welcome back. Let's say how to perfectly upload full quality YouTube videos on iPhone and Android. Uploading a video to YouTube from your phone is quick and convenient, but many users notice their videos lose quality after uploading. This usually happens due to compression, incorrect settings, or poor export quality before the upload even begins. So, if you want your videos to appear sharp, clear, and professional, it's important to follow the right steps on both iPhone and Android. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the YouTube app on your device. And then you have to hit the profile tab. After that, you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to head over to videos and audio preferences section. After that, you have to choose the uploads option. Then you have to tap upload quality option and choose full quality and you're all set. From now onward, full quality videos will automatically be uploaded to YouTube from your device. Maintaining full video quality on YouTube comes down to using the right settings before and during the upload process. By exporting your video in high resolution, ensuring a stable internet connection, and allowing YouTube enough time to process the highest quality version, you can avoid blurry or compressed results. So follow these pretty handy tips and your videos will look just as crisp on YouTube as they do on your device. And that's pretty much it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to enhance the video quality of your YouTube videos. And I'll catch you up in the next one.